Hey guys, what's going on? Paul here, and the topic on today's video is price manipulation in the Bitcoin market or in cryptocurrencies in general. So we seen yesterday there was an investigation opened. The US have opened a criminal investigation into price manipulation within Bitcoin and within Ethereum. Some of the headlines only say Bitcoin, but when you read through them it talks about Ethereum as well. So actually, if this is the first of my videos, don't forget to subscribe. If you get any value from this, give it a like, give it a share as well. So my opinion on it is that yes, I think there is manipulation in the market. I've touched on this in live streams before that I think it happens in every single market. Anywhere where there's money involved, it does lead to the tendency to bring in manipulation. The big guys will try and manipulate a market. I think Bitcoin in the last few months has really suffered from price manipulation. The futures opened a few months ago. What the futures meant was that big investors can actually come in and open a short contract on Bitcoin. So they basically bet that Bitcoin is going to go down and they make money by Bitcoin going down. So there's still a lot of talk about big investor money coming later in this year. So we have already seen, I suppose, the possibilities of this with GDAX talking about opening a crypto exchange with their technology. We had LMAX there a few days ago. They have now opened up crypto, or are opening up cryptocurrency markets as well, aimed at the institutional investors. So this is all great. It's going to bring a lot of money into cryptocurrency, and I do think we're going to head up and break that $1 trillion market cap hopefully later this year, but who knows. But what these investigations are specifically talking about they're talking about spoof trading. So spoof trading, what that is basically inserting orders into the market. So you need a lot of Bitcoin or a lot of money to do this. So what they do is they come in here, they can put in orders into the market. So they put in orders down here, which makes it look like there's a huge buy wall at a certain price. Why do you do this? Well, when investors see that there's a huge buy wall down here, or it will be back here a little bit, then what they will do is they will try and buy Bitcoin in ahead of the wall, because what they see is that there's big resistance, big support at a certain level. They're going to come in and try and buy just above that level, expecting the market to go up. But what happens then is when enough of people have bought, you will see the buy wall disappear. And the guys who had put in what they call a spoof trade is they pull out that and then the trade never happens. So then on the opposite side of that, you will have guys up here who are trying to sell based on, it could be the same guys who put in the spoof trades. They then come in and sell Bitcoin at the higher price, and then they can come in and start doing it again. But this is possible in most markets. I suppose cryptocurrency is wide open at the minute with no regulation really in it. There's lots of talk about it, but there's no official regulation. I do think over the year we are going to see it going back up. What we have right now is, I would say, the big players, institutional money already taking effect in bringing the price way down. So when they actually come into the market with the big money, they will be able to buy Bitcoin at the low prices, because they are scaring they're scaring a lot of smaller investors out of it, which is bringing the price down. But once that institutional money hits, I do think we will start to see it all rise up again. And of course, the big guys will have got their Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies at the lowest possible value they could, and then they will reap the multiples of rewards. So look, that is not financial advice or anything like that. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm sharing with you my opinions, my thoughts on this, and what I'm doing. And what I'm doing is holding my Bitcoin. I see us breaking the highs of 19,000 of last year. I see us going up towards the 30k mark this year. I don't think we'll cross 30k, but who knows? We did have, where was it? Oh, I can't think of the guy's name. Big time investor. Here we go. So Bitcoin to hit 25,000. This is the prediction for this year. Where Thomas Lee, couldn't think of his name. So Fundstart Global's co-founder Thomas Lee does think that we are going to hit $25,000 this year. But again, no matter who is making the prediction, nothing is guaranteed. Bitcoin could go to $1,000, it could go to 25, 50,000. Nobody knows. Everyone needs to decide your own risk. And be aware that yes, there's market manipulation going on. But even with all of that, I do still see the prices going way up over this year and over the next few years because I am bullish on cryptocurrencies. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this has been of some value, that it enlightens you to what spoof trading is, what the market manipulation could potentially be. Where these investigations are going to go, I don't know, because I don't know how much hard proof they will be able to get against these people who are actually putting in the spoof trades. If you've got some value, give it a like, give it a share, and don't forget to hit subscribe plus the bell icon to get notifications of when there's a new video. Thanks for watching, guys. Talk to you soon.